Thanks for the quick introduction. My name is Sumit. I'm a senior Salesforce consultant with Webkul Software Private Limited, and we are here to demonstrate the integration tool in between MailChimp and the Salesforce. So, when it comes to the integration in between the world's most popular email marketing platform, which is MailChimp, and the world's most popular CRM, which is Salesforce, it's one of the most popular applications, that is ChimpConnect. And it's listed officially over the marketplace. Next slide, please. So this application has an average rating of 5 stars. And when it comes to the integration, it works on the real-time upsell process. As soon as the data gets inserted or updated, it's meant to synchronize the data on a real-time basis. As per the market research, we came across multiple scenarios wherein the businesses rely heavily on email campaigns in order to reach out to their potential customers. They use MailChimp in order to manage their email campaigns and Salesforce in order to track the customers and the leads data. However, keeping the two systems in sync was a difficult job. So they often had to manually update MailChimp with the customers and the leads information from Salesforce, which was time consuming and error prone. That's how ChimpConnect came into existence. Next slide, please. Okay, so that's the logo for application. Yeah. Next slide. Okay, so as per the default functionality for connector, it can synchronize 5 different objects bidirectionally in between the two platforms. Okay. So when I say 5 different objects, I meant to say the relevant objects is within the MailChimp. The objects are audience, campaigns, subscribers, segments, packs, and the groups. And it works on the real-time upsell process. As soon as the data gets created or updated within the MailChimp, or let's say at the Salesforce, it's going to be synchronized on the real-time basis back and forth. Okay. Next slide. So it's not just the bi-directional functionality what comes out of the box. We have implemented multiple other functionalities as per the global business scenarios. For instance, the user can create custom fields through the configuration section of the connector, and it can create the relevant custom fields back to the MailChimp platform, and they can map those fields accordingly through the configuration section. That's one of the additional functionalities of the connector. Apart from that, next slide. Okay, so we can integrate multiple MailChimp accounts with one Salesforce instance simultaneously. Next slide. Okay, so it's not just the nominal sync what happens. We can use conditional sync wherein we can define certain parameters in order to export or import the data between the two platforms. Please play this video. Okay, so we'll try creating a contact and within the Salesforce instance. Let's see if that gets synchronized on a real-time basis back to the MailChimp format. Okay, so we tried updating the contact information within the Salesforce. We just need to update the required fields. So as soon as we create and update the relevant data, let's move on to the data page. As soon as the data gets created in Salesforce, it will be synchronized on the real-time basis back to the MailChimp. There we go. So that's how it's meant to function. It's for the default functionality for connector. So that's all about the functionality. It is for the analytics and the analytics capabilities of the connector. One can track the performance of the email campaign using the reports and the dashboards within the Salesforce. And last but not the least, with the use of ChimpConnect, one can save time, reduce errors, and improve the effectiveness of the email marketing campaign.